Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog in Tokyo. So we are currently in Tokyo, but we are going to Kyoto, which is pretty much the southern part of the country. So I'll put a map here if you guys aren't familiar with Japan. But yeah, my partner and I are going to go down to Kyoto for a couple of days. We're also going to be visiting Osaka at some point. Funnily enough, one of my cousins is actually here in Japan as well. She's in Osaka with her husband. So it was just like pretty much spur of the moment. I was on Facebook and then I realized, oh my god, you're coming to Japan as well. And also happens to be the same weekend that we're going down to Kyoto and Osaka. So I'm like, do you want to hang out? Do you want to grab lunch or something so we can catch up? Because the last time I was in Hong Kong we didn't really get to catch up. So it's going to be perfect opportunity. My partner and I are currently at a 7-Eleven just grabbing some money, and then we're going to head to the train station. There are a couple of transfers, so we decided to pack lightly, so we only have like one bag and my backpack, because we're only going to be there from Friday, so today's Friday, until Sunday, so not too long, so just bare essentials really. But yeah, we're going to take a bullet train today, so that's going to be exciting. Hey guys, so we're now on this train. This is a Shinkansen, I think that's how you say it, train to Kyoto. Like, we've been on this train for like an hour and a half. I've just only really managed to pull out my camera now because it's not as crowded on this train. But yeah, we didn't manage to reserve any seats, unfortunately. Didn't have time, so we're in the non-reserved section, but it's still pretty good. It's a pretty decent train ride. It's very smooth. I'm just currently editing a vlog because it's going to be like the entire trip is like a 2-hour 45-minute train ride. Like I said, we've been here for like at least an hour. We've just stopped at another station, and a lot of people are getting off, but it also looks like there's a lot of people getting on. So I'm just going to continue editing, and I'll chat to you guys once we get to Kyoto. Sweet. So we just put our luggage in one of these lockers at the train station because we're going to go somewhere else. We're going to go get some food first, then we're going to go to the bamboo forest. I think it's called Arashiyama. I don't know. Forgive my pronunciation. I'll figure it out later. But let's go get some food because I'm starving. Do you want to look at that? Okay, so we have decided to come here. I think it's called Asti Kyoto. Just going to order that curry fillet. Yum, the food has arrived. Come with a little salad. Not touching that. So I ordered extra pork because the last time I had pork curry, I didn't have enough pork ratio, like ratio-wise, like there wasn't enough pork. So I've got some extra ones. Hopefully this is going to be enough for me now. Hey guys, so we've just finished the meal and it was pretty good. I have to say it wasn't the best pork curry that I've had so far here in Japan. I think the one at Yodobashi camera was pretty good, and then Coco curry was good. This place was alright, but it's a little bit more expensive than what we have paid for in other places. I think it's just because we're at a train station, like a major train station, so the restaurant's a little bit more expensive, but it's fine. Like, we were really hungry. Anyway, I need to go find a toilet, and then we're going to go hop on a train and we're going to go to the bamboo forest. Correction guys, that place wasn't called Asti. Asti, I think, is this whole complex. We went to this place. I don't think there's an English word for it or an English translation, but pretty sure it's that one. So if you guys are at the station, you guys want to check it out, it's this one, number 8. But again, I think it's a little bit more expensive than what other places are. Alright guys, so we have gotten off at that train station that I cannot pronounce for the life of me. So we're pretty much a 20-30 minute walk from the bamboo forest, so we're just gonna walk. We did see taxis, but they looked really old and they didn't really seem to speak English. But the taxi drivers didn't seem to speak any English, so we're like, not gonna risk it, we're just gonna walk. A lot of people seem to be walking anyway, so it looks like a very scenic walk. Oh my god, someone in kimonos. Yes.
No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing.
Alright, we're at this soft ice cream place near a temple, and they have different flavored ice cream. Like this one's bamboo and this one is cherry blossom. Alright, I'm gonna try out the cherry blossom flavor. It's nice. It tastes like a bit of like a tea, like a vanilla tea.
Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
This place is so beautiful. We're now at the Arashiyama, Kyoto area. So the boat landing area, so like there's boats over here. I'll show you guys in a second. Sorry, it's really windy. Hope you guys can hear me. Apparently they have a monkey park, so you go up there, but we're not going there today. But it does look pretty. Alright, we're just at a vending machine. I think I'm gonna get a drink. I'd actually like some apple juice. So apparently we were on the other side of the city or the town to get to the bamboo forest. So we've head back to the main part and we googled it a bit. I think we have to go through a temple to get through it. I think we have to go through a temple to get to it. Anyway, it's really nice. So a lot of people, it's a very touristy place. So I'd suggest try and come earlier, not like what we did, but we didn't really have a choice considering we got to Kyoto around 2 in the afternoon anyway. Okay guys, so we are now at the bamboo forest, I think, I don't know, it just said like bamboo park here, so I'm assuming that's the right one, but as you guys can see, there's bamboo. Ooh. As you guys can see, there's like heaps and heaps of bamboo trees everywhere. We're gonna hop on one of these rickshaws. Okay, that's gonna be fun. Alright, so we're on the rickshaw and I feel like I'm about to fall, but we're not. The guy looks like he knows what he's doing. So cool.
Also my Greek friend. That's pretty.
Okay. Alright guys, so we finished the rickshaw ride. It was so good. Highly recommended. It's a little bit pricey, but it's so worth it. So now we're just on the main street. We're walking around. We might check out an owl cafe. We'll see. Alright, so we're here at this owl and Bengal cat cafe. So we're gonna go in because I want to see some owls. Probably not the Bengals because my partner's mum has Bengal cats, so it's not really exotic to me. Oh, didn't even notice. Thought it was just... I'm taking a break now. Hey guys, we have arrived at our Airbnb in Kyoto and it's quite spacious. I mean, it's pretty much the same size as our Airbnb in Tokyo, but I think, like what my partner has said, they've really planned it out well. Like the way they've arranged the furniture and stuff, that it looks like there's more room. It's very cozy. Actually, I think to think about it, I think it might be a little bit bigger, but not by much. But I'll show you guys quickly what it is. Sitting at one of the chairs, they've got two. My partner's on that side. We've got this little table here. It's got our devices just charging because everything's pretty much dead. We've got a hairdryer, we've got some towels, and that looks like laundry detergent. I brought my own laundry detergent because we need to do some washing, but that's fine. There's this. I'm assuming this is an air purifier or a heater. I'm not really sure, but there's an air conditioner here too, so I'm not really sure what that is. We've got a coffee table. It's a really nice one, and then we've got two really cute coffee cups. We've got some sweets, some treats. So when you go to an Airbnb, sometimes they just put their key in one of these locks, so they just send you the information so you can just pick it up. Then there's the bed itself. I think that's a double-sized bed. It's really cute. We've got a bedside table. Not really sure if the intercom is working. Not really sure what that is. There's two windows here, but there's not much of a view, so I'm not even going to bother showing you guys. But this is pretty interesting. So this is the bed itself, and then when you slide this door, you have got a kitchen. So it's pretty cute. You've got a stove. I'm assuming that's an electric stove. Yes, it is. Got some cupboards. I haven't actually gone through everything yet. We've got some cups from what I can see. I think plates over there. Got a bin. Then you've got a mini fridge. Well, I think this is a proper sized fridge here in Japan. Got a kettle. It looks like the same one we have at the other place. Yeah, just some cleaning products there. Just turn that off and then go here. Then you kind of have to hop on the bed a bit to get to the other sliding door. And the other sliding door reveals a wardrobe. This to me reminds me of a very traditional sort of like Japanese home. Yeah, they're very wise with their space. And then out here, you guys can probably see this is the laundry area. This has actually got a proper laundry area, so I can actually hang the clothes later. So I'm going to be using the washing machine in a minute and then hanging them up there. And that's the front door. So that's the front door. So it's pretty much like with any Japanese home. There's like that one step. Leave your shoes there, and you've got some at-home slippers, which I'm not using because, yeah, I don't really want to. And then we've got the toilet, got some toilet paper, or the bog, as a lot of you Aussies know it as. They even gave us a little umbrella, which is good. And then we've got a wet room. Again, we've got the temperature for the water. Yeah, this place is actually really cute. Now that we're here at this Airbnb in Kyoto, my partner and I are kind of like thinking we should have probably stayed here a little bit longer. Just because I feel like this Airbnb is so much more comfier, I should say, compared to the other one. But, you know, we're only here for 3 days. We're just going to make the most out of our time here. My partner and I are just going to chill here for a little bit. I'm also trying to organize catch up with my cousin tomorrow. They're going to the Osaka castle tomorrow, so we're going to see if we can meet up for lunch and then head over to the castle together, because my cousin invited us to go with them, which is great because I haven't seen her in so long, and I really don't know what to expect. I haven't been to Osaka in years. Like the last time I was in Osaka, I was a kid, so I don't really remember much about it. All I remember was like the Pokemon and having fun. Don't really remember like the layout of the city or anything, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot. I'm pretty sure a lot has changed since the last time I was here. I think it's been more than like 10 years since I've been here. But yeah, we're just gonna chill here for a little bit, and we'll go find some food maybe, or go to a convenience store just to grab a couple of things. Leaving the Airbnb, my partner is staying here because he's feeling a little bit unwell, so I'm just gonna go venture out, grab a couple of things from the supermarket or convenience store, and I really want Yoshinoya for dinner, so I'm just gonna grab some. Oh my gosh, it is so cold. I'm wearing my thick coat and I'm still cold. Alright, so I'm pretty sure Yoshinoya is like that way. And oh cool, there's the 7-Eleven there, so I can grab a couple of things at 7-Eleven as well. Oh my gosh, it is so cold and windy. I should have brought my gloves. Oh well. Alright, this Yoshinoya looks like it's a 24-hour place. At least that's what it looks like on the internet. So hopefully I get what I want. Alright, cool, so I've just been to Yoshinoya. Got my food pretty quick. So now I'm just going to stop by 7-Eleven to grab a couple of things that we need for tomorrow. So like things for breakfast, something we can easily heat up, and maybe some milk, because we do have coffee. Just need some milk for the coffee. Alright guys, so I'm back at the Airbnb. So you guys can see, I did a little bit of damage at 7-Eleven. I just wanted to try out a couple of things, because I've been putting it off for a couple of days, so I thought why not try out some of the snacks that I can get from 7-Eleven. So got some from Calbee, one of 7-Eleven's own. Got some lot chocolate, some cup noodles for tomorrow morning breakfast, and that's milk over there. And we have this one, so Gaba Ole.
Yeah.